Are you looking for the best cheap 3D printers? In this video, we will look at some of the 4 best cheap 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Creality Ender-3 V3. The Creality Ender-3 V3 is a great deal for its price and a top pick for curious tinkerers looking for an easy-to-use introduction to 3D printing. It shows improvements in print speed, auto-calibration, and cooling over previous Ender-3 models we've tested. Despite minor issues like noise, vibration, and a print bed that needs to be treated with glue, it's a highly capable and affordable budget 3D printer. Good for newbies and tinkerers on a budget, the Ender-3 V3 is an excellent, easy-to-use open-frame 3D printer. It requires minimal assembly and setup is a cinch. The V3 produces speedy, high-quality prints with minimal hiccups. Number 2. Creality Ender-3 S1 Pro. The Creality Ender-3 S1 Pro is an impressive open-frame 3D printer that supports high-temperature printing, which ensures its compatibility with a wide range of filaments. The S1 Pro produced some striking-looking prints with intricate detail in testing. Setting up this printer is a breeze, since most of the machine comes pre-assembled. It is a welcome addition to the 3D printer middle ground, sure to satisfy both 3D printing newbies and experienced creators looking for an affordable printer. You don't have to be a pro to appreciate the Creality Ender-3 S1 Pro, an easy-to-use 3D printer that's an excellent gateway for curious hobbyists as well as rookies looking to start an adventure in the world of 3D printing. Easy to install and manage, the S1 Pro is a top model for newcomers, and its support for various filament types makes it a good choice for experienced users as well. The quality of the prints isn't perfect, but they're good enough considering the S1 Pro's relatively modest price. Number 3. Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus. The open-frame Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus 3D printer represents great value in a sub-$500 3D printer, consistently producing good quality prints in our testing, including some jumbo-sized objects. It requires some basic assembly and enough table or bench space to house it, but setup and operation proves easy enough. Be sure to add at least one filament spool to your order when purchasing the Neptune, or buy it in a bundle that includes filament. The Neptune 4 Plus is good for frugal hobbyists and daring newcomers looking to produce large prints. Some basic assembly is required, but setup is relatively easy, and our testing shows that it consistently prints good quality objects. Advanced users will appreciate the fact that the Neptune supports a wide range of filament types. Number 4. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini is an affordable 3D printer in its own right, but it also offers an inexpensive add-on module that can print with any or all of 4 different colored filaments, making multicolor creations easy. It generates high-quality prints at a relatively high speed, too. The A1 Mini is exceptionally easy to get up and running and proved to be problem-free in our testing. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini is a filament-based 3D printer suitable for beginners and budget-minded hobbyists alike. It's the lowest-cost 4-color fused deposition modeling (FDM) printer currently on the market and a superb choice for someone who wants a stellar out-of-the-box experience, simple operation, and some money left in the bank.